A good modular sofa doesn't try to impress all at once. It earns trust slowly by letting a room change its mind. The Weture Modular Sectional sofa understands this idea well. It isn't fixed, stubborn furniture. It's flexible, cooperative, and quietly confident, more like a set of well-designed building blocks than a traditional couch. The first thing that stands out is freedom. Each piece moves independently, which means the sofa can shift from a U-shaped gathering spot to an L-shaped lounge, or stretch out into a relaxed sofa bed without complaint. In a fireplace room, living room, or open space, this flexibility changes the atmosphere instantly. Rearranging doesn't feel like work. It feels like redecorating without spending money. Comfort is where Weture avoids the common trap. The seat cushions land right in the middle, neither too soft nor stiff. High-quality foam and springs keep the seats supportive, even during long dinners, movie nights, or slow afternoons. They don't collapse under weight or demand constant fluffing. The back cushions, by contrast, are soft and padded, offering a gentle contrast that supports the back without pushing forward. Adjustable armrests with multiple tilt positions quietly adapt to different heights and lounging styles, whether sitting upright or leaning back. The upgraded structure adds depth in a subtle way. Fixed curved backrests on the corner and armless modules increase seat depth without sacrificing support. This makes the sofa feel more relaxed, less formal. It invites people to stay longer. The hardwood frame, reinforced connectors, and sturdy legs keep everything grounded. Nothing feels wobbly or temporary. Once connected, the modules hold their place with confidence. Storage is where this sofa earns its keep. Every seat hides a compartment beneath it, turning unused space into order. Blankets disappear, pillows find a home. Toys, throws, seasonal items all slide out of sight without effort. It's the kind of storage that quietly resets a room, making it feel calmer without adding cabinets or baskets. For smaller homes or rooms that need to multitask, this feature alone changes daily life. The removable covers are another thoughtful decision. Seat and back cushion covers unzip easily, allowing quick cleanup when crumbs, spills, or everyday life leave their mark. The fabric feels durable yet soft, and when washed gently, it holds its shape and color well. Putting the covers back on requires a bit of patience, since each zipper sits on one side, but once fitted, the cushions look clean and refreshed again. The result feels intentional, not like a workaround. Assembly lives up to its promise. The sofa arrives in separate boxes, one per seat, making it manageable to carry even into second-floor spaces. The connectors are simple black metal pieces that lock sections together securely. One person can assemble the full setup quickly, without special tools or frustration. The modular nature also makes moving or rearranging later far easier than dealing with a single heavy frame. Visually, the sofa fits modern interiors without trying too hard. Neutral colors like beige blend easily into bright or cozy rooms, especially when paired with throws or covers for added protection. It looks clean, structured, and adaptable. Changing the layout, adding pillows, or adjusting the armrests gives the room a new personality with minimal effort. There are small imperfections. The felt lining inside some storage compartments can be thinner than expected, revealing wood beneath in certain seats. Extra connectors for optional ottoman arrangements would improve stability in more creative layouts. These are details, not deal breakers, but they are worth noting. Overall, this sofa feels designed for people who live in their homes, not just decorate them. It's easy to move, easy to clean, comfortable to sit on, and forgiving when life gets messy. The Weture Modular Sectional doesn't demand commitment to a single layout or lifestyle. It adapts quietly, again and again.